day 27. It is about to be midnight, and I'm just so ready for this fast to be over. I want to eat. Today was probably my weakest day in the last like 5 days, 5 to 7 days. I just really didn't have, I didn't really have the energy to do much today. So it was like my weakest day in the last 5 to 7 days. It was a really nice day. Got to talk to a couple friends I haven't talked to in months. But it drained me. But it also kind of has me wired. That's why I'm still up. So, no real updates. I somewhat had a bowel movement today. And when I say bowel movements, it's like little to nothing. Better something than nothing. And honestly, I'm just like hitting the point of just wanting to be done. I want to be done. I want to eat. And that's just where I'm at right now, guys. So, no major updates. Body is very soft still. Today I felt like my underarms had like, not an odor, but like it was a little different today. And my tongue is pretty much naturally its color. I haven't had to scrub it. And that's pretty much it. I'm about to go to sleep, y'all. So I'll see you tomorrow for day 28. Oh my goodness. Hey guys, I don't have much of an update. I'm just coming here to say that I'm happy I have one more day left. Today was, an interesting day energy-wise, but based on astrology, June is going to be a pretty up and down month, especially with the retrograde. But anyways, so today was a little bit up, but I just Palo Santo'd myself, and I got my incense going, so my vibrations will be much higher shortly. But anyways, I really don't have any updates. Everything's pretty much been the same as of yesterday. Today I just wasn't really feeling like getting out of bed at all. I had 2 coconuts. It's about to be 7 now, so I think I'm calling it a night. I'm gonna lay here and try to edit, but nothing new. But I'm almost there, you guys. So if you're here, you're almost there. So stick with it.